hydropower works by converting the energy of moving water into electricity.
Most hydropower plants use a storage dam. Water builds up in a reservoir behind the dam, creating stored potential energy.
When electricity is needed, water is released and flows down through a large pipe called the penstock,
which carries it down to a turbine water wheel at the lower water level. The water pressure increases as it flows down the penstock. It is this pressure and flow that drives the turbine that is connected to the generator. Inside the generator is the rotor that is spun by the turbine.
According to the U.S. Department of Energy, at the plant level, water flows through a pipe, also known as a penstock, and then spins the blades in a turbine, which in turn spins a generator that ultimately produces electricity.
As the turbine spins, a generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy.
That electricity is then sent through a power line to homes, schools, and businesses.
Hydropower has several important advantages.
First, it is renewable. It relies on the water cycle, which is continuously replenished by rainfall.
Second, it produces very low greenhouse gas emissions compared to fossil fuels like coal.
According to the International Energy Agency, hydropower is the largest source of renewable electricity worldwide.
Third, hydropower plants are extremely efficient. Some cover more than 90% of available energy into electricity.
Another advantage is flexibility. Hydropower can quickly increase or decrease electricity production to match demand. However, hydropower also has its limitations.
First, building large dams can flood ecosystems and communities.
Second, dams can block fish migration routes and disrupt aquatic ecosystems.
Third, in some tropical regions, reservoirs can release methane from decomposing plant matter.
Hydropower also depends on water availability. During droughts, electricity production can decrease.
Hydropower is one of the most efficient energy sources available.
Hydropower plants can reach efficiency rates about 85 to 95%.
In comparison, coal power plants operate around the 33 to 40% efficiency.
Solar panels typically operate between 15 to 22% efficiency.
This makes hydropower one of the most efficient large-scale electricity sources in the world.
Hydropower produces far fewer greenhouse gas emissions than fossil fuels.
However, it can impact land use and wildlife habitats.
Large dams can alter river ecosystems and affect fish populations.
Engineers now use fish ladders and improved turbine designs to reduce environmental harm.
Hydropower is widely used around the world.
China is the largest producer of hydropower electricity, followed by Brazil, Canada, and the United States of America.
Hydropower provides roughly 16% of the world's electricity and about 60% of global renewable electricity.
This makes it the backbone of renewable energy production worldwide.
So, is hydropower growing or declining?
I don't know, Joseph, is it? I'll answer that. So, globally, it's still growing, especially in developing countries.
However, many experts believe the future will focus on upgrading existing dams rather than building new massive ones.
New technologies are improving turbine efficiency and reducing environmental impacts.
Pumped storage hydropower is also expanding to support renewable energy storage.
Hydropower has powered societies for over a century,
It is renewable, efficient, and globally important.
but it must be carefully managed to protect ecosystems and communities.
Hydropower, power from moving water.